everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Todd Talks. Today we're going to talk about the evolution of synchronous belts. In synchronous belts, there's a lot of confusion as to what belts do I use, where are they going to be best suited for. So let's get into it. The first synchronous belt family we're going to talk about is the trapezoid. And the reason why we call it a trapezoid is because of the shape of the tooth. It looks like a trapezoid. This is your 1940s belt technology. It's for low load carrying capacity, low horsepower. Different types of belts that are in this family are like your XLs, your H's, your XH's, and your L's. 1940s technology, but it gets the job done. The next one we'll talk about is HTD. We call this the high torque drives or curvilinear. Why do we call it curvilinear? Look at the tooth profile. It's curved. Not like a trapezoid, curvilinear. So this is your 1960s technology to today, and it's used for higher horsepower loads, more torque carrying capacity. The belt pitches here are going to be your 5 millimeter, 8 millimeter, 14 millimeter, and 20 millimeter belt pitches available in this belt family. The third iteration of belts that we're going to talk about is the modified curvilinear. And the reason why we call it a modified curvilinear is because the tooth profile is a little bit different. It's a little bit flatter on the bottom of it versus completely curved. And the modified curvilinear, which we call at B&B our powerhouse, is the 1980s technology to today. And it's got more horsepower carrying capacity, more load. So this is the third iteration of belts. The fourth iteration that we're going to talk about today is known as polychain in the marketplace. We call it Powerhouse MX at B&B. Same modified curvilinear tooth profile, but what you have here is you've got urethane material that's the belt's made from. Then you have carbon tensile members that are inside, gives it great strength. 2 times the load carrying capacity of regular curvilinear. These come in 5 millimeter, 8 millimeter, and 14 millimeter pitches. Powerhouse MX replaces a lot of robust chain drives in the marketplace. Why? Because it has high load, high torque carrying capacity, and it doesn't stretch, doesn't need any lubrication. So a great option in the marketplace if you've got those tough applications. Keep B&B in mind in the future. Thanks for joining us again for Todd Talk.